So I'm making this video in response to the adverts that I see on social media, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. In these adverts, in the video, you can see like the video saying like Bill Gates has a cure for Alzheimer's, dementia, and they talk about Memopezil. All right. So so this is the video I'm going to do because I also have a friend who has actually dementia, and I think there's so many people who can fall into, who can be a victim of such scams without really knowing if it's legit or not legit. So that is the purpose of this video. Now let's first kind of go through the facts. Memopezil is a solid dietary supplement under the U.S. Dietary Supplement Framework, formulated to support focus, mental clarity, and overall cognitive performance. Okay, but it's not a cure for Alzheimer's or dementia, as in the adverts it says. In fact, if a company came out and says it cures dementia, if a company which is producing, these dietary supplements comes up with that statement, they may have to be shut down by FDA. They have to get issues with the FDA. Okay. Now, the Memopezil, the legit Memopezil, I know it's distributed by a company called GEX Corporation on their label, if you can read on their label. But online, you're going to realize there's a lot of counterparts. Okay, so there are so many people who are kind of branding their supplements as Memopezil when they're not actually the Memopezil that we know. If you read this article on Yahoo, I'm going to bring it up to you. If you read it, you will see that they're already warning people about so many counterfeits who are kind of so many unauthorized sellers, okay, who are branding themselves as this Memopezil. So I think it's kind of the reason why we are seeing so many funny ads, not funny, but over exaggerated ads online talking about this Memopezil curing this and that. Okay. Now, because the legit Memopezil that I know, it's sold under the Dietary Supplement Framework, the company which does Memopezil cannot legally claim that Memopezil cures or treats or prevents or diagnoses any of these diseases such as Alzheimer's, dementia, or clinical memory loss. Though instead they're only allowed to use general structure function claims like it can support your brain health, it can help with maintain focus, it can promote memory retention, but they're not supposed to say it cures Alzheimer's. Okay, if they do, they have to be in trouble with FDA. All right. So now, when you read on the other article in Yahoo, it shows that they are unauthorized sellers attempting to mimic Memopezil branding. Okay. So the market data indicates that the authentic Memopezil product and over-the-counter dietary supplement focused on coordinative support is frequently targeted by unauthorized sellers attempting to market its branding. And this market data brings us to the reason why I did this video about Bill Gates Alzheimer's cure scam using the Memopezil. So in other words, the ads that we see on social media may not be, actually, I don't think they are made by the Memopezil company, which is producing the supplements. Because first of all, when you click on those ads, they take you to the official places where you have to buy the Memopezil. Okay, so there's a big chance that people are actually selling you something which are not what they're saying. Okay, this data brings us to the reason why I did this video about Bill Gates Alzheimer's cure scam using Memopezil. So I'm really sure that these adverts, whoever is behind them, is not the Memopezil dietary supplement that we know. Okay, because if they are, they will be in problem with FDA, because you can't say these supplements cure Alzheimer's or dementia. Okay, the scammers in that video rely heavily on emotional manipulation. It's not just actually fake information. The video focuses on AI and fake websites, but the real psychological strategy is to trigger emotions. If you saw that video, you will actually fear Alzheimer's in a different way. You kind of feel fear of losing independence. You kind of hope for a miracle cure. They kind of make you get trust in the celebrities, because and they kind of bring this thing of urgency to act before it's too late. So by keeping viewers emotionally engaged, scammers reduce your critical thinking. Okay, because I've seen a lot of people who have paid this thing, and after paying, and they're like, but this can't really be true. Okay, because when you search online, there's no cure for dementia yet. So this scam doesn't usually begin with the selling pills. It begins by making you earn the trust, by earning the trust from you, and this is one of the cleverest tactics. And the fake interview spends several minutes, discussing Stephen Martin, Robin Wilson's, Bill Gates as Alzheimer's research. They talk about doctors and scientific breakthroughs. Only after building credibility with you do they introduce now the supplement. This gradual approach makes the sales speech feel like a natural conclusion rather than the rather than an advertisement. Okay. Now, most of these scams I've realized, which are happening online, they're usually based on a small truth to build a big lie. For example, in this advert, in this video where they talk about Bill Gates or whatever, like they have a cure for Alzheimer's and dementia. The truth in that is Bill Gates really funds medical research. Bill Gates and Gates Foundation have invested billions into global health research. Now, how the scammers twist it is they say if Bill Gates funds health research, then he may have helped discover this Alzheimer's cure. That is something that they bring you to believe, because if you do research, Bill Gates really does invest in global health, but he hasn't discovered Alzheimer's cure. So that is completely false. They exploit Bill Gates' reputation to borrow creativity. Okay. Now, Alzheimer's disease currently has no cure. That is the truth. Okay. So millions of families desperately want better treatments. Okay. So how do these guys actually trust it? They say doctors don't know this one secret. Okay, which is not really the truth. Or they usually say the big pharma, is hiding the cure. So people who feel hopeless become easy, targets. In that video, I think there's something like honey, bee honey. Now the truth is, the bee honey actually contains antioxidants. Okay, I'm not really good at biology, but it has those elements. I think they are called antioxidants. Okay, they have general health benefits. Honey has general health benefits in medicine when eaten as part of a balanced diet. But when scammers talk about honey in this, they usually jump from honey being just healthy to honey reverses Alzheimer's. These are completely different claims. Okay, so some medications can improve symptoms. That is the truth. Can improve symptoms. Some medications can improve symptoms, and they use that truth to, they kind of twist it, okay? Because medicines like Aricept and Namida may temporarily help some Alzheimer's symptoms. Now, the scammers kind of twist it, and they tell viewers that doctors only give drugs that don't work. Then they present their supplements as the real cure. So you may end up leaving the real drugs that doctors give you, and you go with the supplements. Okay, so that is actually wrong, because the supplements, they have not been approved as a real cure. Okay, so they kind of get a small truth and they kind of twist it. Memory problems are common as people age. I believe in every family, or there's someone who may, if you have an older person, you may have someone who is having this issue. So the truth is, many people occasionally forget names, keys, or appointments, and not all memory lapses are caused by Alzheimer's. So the scammers kind of twist it. They make ordinary forgetfulness sound like the beginning of dementia, so viewers panic and buy the product. Okay, once in a while you can forget, but doesn't mean like you have Alzheimer's. Okay, that is the truth, you get. So in this video, the AI videos look really incredibly realistic. I don't know what tool they use. Today's AI can clone voices and limp movements very well. Okay, so the scammers kind of twist it. They know people trust what they see and hear, so they create fake celebrity interviews that appear authentic. Now, in that video, actually, they showed like millions trust CNN as the new, there was where that film was being featured on CNN. The truth is, many people trust CNN as a news source, but so these guys copy CNN's logo, fonts, and layout to make people think that the story has been verified by journalists, and that is a lie. So that's what I'm saying. Like, whoever actually made that advert cannot be the real company behind this Memopezil. Get okay? So in that video, there's something like Steve Martin. Steve Martin is a trusted celebrity. He has a long respected career, so many people naturally trust him. So what happens in this video? These scammers use his face to lower skepticism. So viewers often think if Steve Martin says it has to be legit, not knowing that that is not the real Steve Martins. If you search Google, Steve Martins hasn't, you realize hasn't spoken those things. Okay. Now, when you buy this product, some of these pages where you'll be redirected, they kind of make you have a subscription, and that is a trick most people don't know. So when you buy, that's not the end of it. Your card sometimes it's put in a subscription mode whereby actually every month you're going to be charged. You get, there are some people who don't follow up on how their cards are being charged. You end up like these guys have charged you for a whole year without even knowing. Okay, so these are one of the things which people don't know. The scammers usually steal your credit card through subscription traps. Okay, and so that is it. So I've seen a lot of reviews online, some of the articles, and people saying that people think like dietary supplements have to be FDA approved. Actually, that is incorrect. Okay, I can really send you a link from FDA. You'll be shocked. In the USA, dietary supplements do not require FDA approval before they are being marketed. But the FDA generally takes action after unsafe or misleading products reach the market. Okay, manufacturers are responsible for ensuring safety and truthfully labeling. Okay, so that's why actually these guys, I believe, they have to set up fake websites every once in a while, because I think these websites have to be tracked and shut down. Okay, I'm going to leave you links of all this research, FDA Dietary Supplements website, and NIH Office of Dietary Supplements, and other links where I've got actually this research. Okay, I'm just a person who wanted to buy this for a friend of mine who has an issue with dementia, but I realized actually when I did thorough research, I realized actually this is actually a lie. This is a scam. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel if you're interested in random reviews about scams which are taking place online. And you can leave me a comment or you can leave me a like. I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.